have to do that. Do that. Come sing, mister.
I'm done.
No, you have to do one dance with me. One ballet dance.
Nope.
Then you are free with your life and I will never speak of it. Start off as, do this. Like that. Alright, good enough. Do this.
What is that called, Kara? You have to tell them what it's
I
called.
forgot.
What is it, like plie and all that? What's all this stuff called? You gotta tell them.
Alright, do that. Then you twirl. Then you do that.
Is it position number 1, 2, 3?
I forgot, woman. Then you do
Hey,
that.
girl.
I'll sit side as me. Do that.
That's it? Can I go now?
No, this hasn't even been 2 minutes.
Alright.
No, but isn't like position number 1,
Okay,
or what do you call that? What do you call that?
Now do this. Now do this. Now do this.
Alright,
Now
I'm out
do,
of here.
wait, no, Daddy, you finish the dance.
I'm finished the
No,
dance.
you're not.
I've had enough.
You do releve. Wait,
Oh yeah, relevate,
wait, no.
elevate,
Susu
and
and change. Wait, no. Look. Susu and change. Wait, no, that.
What?
Put this foot in front of that foot.
Alright.
Then do this. Do this.
I am.
Put them together.
Alright.
Now change. Oh my gosh. You need some work. On that wait, no.
I'm done. I'm done.
No, you're not. Just finish with me. Finish. I won't tell no one.
Alright.
After that, you do. Then you do twirl. Wait, no.